If you would ask questions to anybody, officers of the BDO, and you'll be surprised how friendly and open they are. So let them know what you need, ask them what they can offer. And again, I think for the many years that we've been having the relationship with BDO, BDO never failed us. So I think it will be the same for anybody else that would, come to BDO.
So how many years with BDO?
Almost 20 years.
This movie, Hello Love Again. It's a movie, it's a perfect fit to showcase how BDO supports our Filipinos, not just here. This is an OFW movie, so
Yeah.
it's about sending your money abroad.
Financial, yeah.
Yeah, so we support that. And also in the movie, you will see later on how BDO plays a role in Ethan's story. We want to make people's lives easier, anytime, anywhere. So supporting this movie reflects not only on our commitment to finding ways for our clients anywhere in the world
Okay.
and meeting their value. So it's very good.
Very nice.
Anytime. Yes. With our mobile app. Yes.
Can you discuss your digital features for the BDO?
Yeah, right now we're really big into digital innovation. So we aim to make banking simple, secure, and easy.
Easy.
So, for example, if you want to go to our branches, you can actually, before going to the branch, you can go online, you can go to transaction.
Okay.
And then when you get to the branch, you just scan your QR code in our services desk machines. And then you don't need to fill up a form, you don't need to manually phone. You just wait for your number to be called. And then if you go there during your allotted time slot, you don't even need to wait because you get to skip the line, you get called first. Yeah. And yeah, so you can do that. And then we also have, you don't need to wait. And we are also rolling out our universal teller machines. We have selected branches which have them already. So the universal teller machine is like a self-service kiosk, So you can deposit cash, deposit checks, pay your bills, do balance inquiries, withdraw using QR code or with a card. If you don't have a card, you can withdraw using your fingerprints.
Biometrics. Yeah.
So that you get your biometrics scanned in the branch. And best of all, you don't need to line up because it's just a machine there. So you don't need to wait for the counter.
Okay.
And added to that, we have our branch banking services. We also have a mobile app. So our mobile app, you can manage and access your accounts anytime, anywhere. So we're leveraging on technology. We want to offer seamless, physical and digital branch banking experience for our clients, allowing your clients to choose the way they want to bank. You want to go to a branch, you want to do it online, or you want to do a combination of both, whichever you're comfortable with. Yeah. So we're trying to sure that because we're the biggest bank right now to provide options right now.
Yeah. Good.
Sir, can you state your name and then your company and then for the last line is like I've been with BDO since pang intro na mo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi, my name is Cesar Azanza and with me is Camera Shop. I've been backing with BDO for almost 20 years now.
Thank you, sir.